last episode I made this, which is a good rough approximation of the central part, but this is far from perfect, and in this video I'm going to refine this a little bit more. But also what I really need to do is work on the wings, and today we're gonna start from there. Purpose of this video will be refine this, maybe even cut the fresh slot, because why not, but most importantly have the wings getting from this template to be ready to glue, actually. Not glue it today, maybe do it at the end of the next episode, but I want to have them ready so I can properly think what to do and what the best course of action for this build will be. The wings will be made out of ash. I still have a lot of this actually, so place this right here. And at first we're gonna start by cutting this. Now, how do I want to approach this? Exactly like this. I'm gonna give myself for now just the pencil line, and I will try to be precise, and then we will see for what to do. So for now, we will have this cut.
He is the chosen one.
After I rough cut the wings, I plane the frontal face on both pieces, then put the template on, because I want to use the router to clean everything. And it may not seem necessary at first glance, but actually the jigsaw blade, even though I cut very close to the line, tend to tilt ever so slightly, especially when you're using it on a thicker piece of material. And with that 4.5 centimeter of ash, that little angle actually leave a lot of material at the bottom. You can see here that at the top part I'm removing a millimeter of material at most, and at the bottom instead it's even 1 centimeter depending on the spot. And this was somewhat of a complicated process because the surface of the wing it's very little, so I have to be careful in some point. And I don't have a router bit that is long enough for this job, so I have to do multiple passages. It took me about an hour of work for each, but the results are good. Now that I have the wings all cut and all cut and router, this looks much better. It's a lot thinner already, and now I can put the wings aside. I will continue to work on them in another video, in the next video, but now let's go and get our attention back to the central part. I need to work on this and prepare for cutting the threads. So I will start by probably work on this side because it's the roughest one, and clean this the best that I can. So let's finesse this. I'm gonna start with one side. I will probably clean a little bit more on the on the body, and then we can work on the frets. Now, look at what we have so far. It's starting to look very promising. I actually like this look. In the next episode, I'm going to glue the wings, but first I'm going to reduce the fretboard, put the frets on and the fret stud. Don't forget that. And also, I think that I will drill the hollow eye stock. So, very good progress in this video. And in the next one, we're gonna have something that is actually very close to be a violin. And I will see you there. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.